Hi, this is Rich with Picopros.com. We're taking a look at the AAXA Technologies LED Showtime 3D microprojector or Pico projector. It's the first 3D enabled projector that we're going to be doing a review on for Picopros.com. So we're definitely excited about that. If you haven't seen the video on our hardware overview and the menu system overview, just go ahead and check that out if you're interested. And then be sure to check out our dark room performance review. This is the light room performance review. I have the projector about 46 inches from the wall, which gives me about a 46-inch diagonal image. So about the size of a standard flat screen TV. As I've stated in the dark room video, the maximum image that I can actually get in this room is 88 inches. I mean that's going as far back as I really can. I can probably get a little bit bigger, but I would have to put the projector right up against the wall. I mean I'm not that far away. I can't go much further back. So I get about an 88-inch max for this particular room. And that's 95 inches from the wall. So the projector is capable of doing 160-inch diagonal images. So according to the website, 160-inch diagonal image, which is just about twice the diagonal image for the maximum size that I'm getting in this room. I mean that is enormous. And at 88 inches, the brightness really is not so much different from the brightness at 46 inches. The brightness stays very consistent through its range. So with that, I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of a light room or ambient light room setting. So I'm going to go here to my inputs, and if you had the 3D Blu-ray or a 3D device and you wanted to stream your 3D content through the projector, you would make your selection on the 3D HDMI port. I'm going to go to the standard HDMI port here, and that is my Roku box that I have connected. So this is your Roku box. I have my NBC News channel that I'm going to check out, and I'll give you a little bit of a demo on that. Now okay, so let's just choose this one. Okay, so the brightness here on this projector, I would say, is on par with an overhead projector that most of you would see in an office. The offices where I am, the projectors are ceiling mounted, and they're big projectors, and they're bright. They're great projectors, but they're big. And not sure what happened here. Right, so the office projectors that most people have are huge. This projector is travel size. It's small. It's about 6 by 5.5 inches by an 1.5 inch height. So it's definitely something you can carry around with you, and it puts out the quality of one of those large projectors. This is the room is completely bright. I mean, I have all the lights on in this room, and the quality of the colors is just bright colors. There's just no problem watching this. So I'll just let this play for a little bit. The colors are great. Let me go into my settings. So while you're playing this, I have this on picture mode bright. Okay, so if I change that, I could change that to user. Now the difference between user and bright is actually not too much of a difference. The colors in bright are definitely brighter. It seems there's okay, that makes sense. There's a higher contrast and a higher color setting in the bright. User, movies kind of dark. There's standard, Presentation is bright. Presentation is pretty bright. Now, if I haven't mentioned this, when I do change the picture mode to bright, the internal fan for this projector speeds up, so it does get louder. There is fan noise with the bright setting. There is still fan noise with the standard settings, but less noticeable. Whoops. Okay. So the Lightroom setting is excellent. Obviously it's not as bright as a dark room, but there's really no issue watching these channels in a completely bright room. It is dark outside. I'm not getting any light from outside, so it's dark out, and I'm just using the light from inside this room. Here's the NASA channel. So there aren't very many colors in this channel, it looks like, but it is bright. This is kind of a dark video, probably not the best to demonstrate. Okay, now I just noticed that on the video you may be seeing some lines going across, and that's just the projector. It's just scan lines. You don't see those with your eye. It's just picking them up in the camera. Okay, so here's another video. And so that's pretty much it. Okay, so this is the darkroom performance review of the AAXA Technologies LED Showcase, or Showtime, Showtime 3D projector. So thanks for watching. This has been Rich with Picopros.com, and be sure to check out some of our other videos. So we're going to do a how to connect a Galaxy S phone to this. I'm going to show you how to hook up the Roku, and we also have the videos on the menu system and the darkroom settings. So be sure to check out all the videos on this AAXA Technologies projector. Again, AAXA Technologies LED Showtime 3D projector, and this is Rich at Picopros.com. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to us, and take care. Thanks.